Color is the common denominator in the production of all items sold globally today. Selecting the right color or color palettes is the catalyst necessary to project your visions and take them to the next level. No matter what industry you are in, home, apparel, cosmetics, cars, appliances, electronics, the list goes on forever. Choose the right color and the consumer will appear. Choose the wrong color and the consumer will disappear. Design Options, with over 20 years of targeting the top-selling colors and color palettes from its corporate office in Los Angeles, California, has used this location as leverage to inject that youthful flavor into all of its 6 divisions. See the future before your competition does. Design Options. We didn't invent color, we just perfected it.